Welcome to this video on architecting a secure workspace, focusing on the 5 pillars of digital protection. These pillars are the foundation of a robust security posture. The reality is that default settings often prioritize convenience over security. Our mission is to move from setup to continuous stewardship. The admin console is your mission control for threat neutralization. Pillar 1 is establishing administrator roles, adhering to the principle of least privilege. Limit superadmins to a minimum of 2 for redundancy, and delegate precision through group or user management roles. Pillar 2 is enforcing core security policies, where identity is the perimeter. Mandate 2-step verification. Prioritize security keys over SMS, and disable legacy risks like less secure apps. For granular control, use organizational units. Group users by function, not just location. Tailor strict policies only where necessary, and remember that child OUs inherit settings unless overridden. Pillar 3 is implementing mobile device management, or MDM, to secure data, not just the device. This includes basic screen locks and advanced device policy apps, offering friction-free protection for BYOD. Remediation and device defense requires admin approval before syncing data. Use surgical wipes for corporate data on BYOD devices and nuclear factory resets for lost or stolen devices. Pillar 4 is managing app access and permissions for supply chain security. Move to an allow list only. Automatically push critical apps and block unauthorized third-party access to critical services using API controls. Pillar 5 is monitoring security and login activity, because visibility is power. Use the Alert Center for threats, set custom reporting rules, and prioritize response based on the severity and algorithmic risk. Leverage forensic investigation tools like email log search to trace messages and identify phishing. Audit and investigate logs for file downloads and login origins, and review denials based on context-aware access. This visual summarizes the secure workspace architecture as a castle with 5 interlocking pillars: roles, policies, device management, app permissions, and monitoring. Security is a practice, not a product. The tools are powerful, but they require a guardian. Start today by logging into your admin console and auditing your super admin list.